If you're looking for the best action cameras to capture every intense moment, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best action cameras of 2025, covering everything from insane video quality to next-level stabilization and durability. Whether you're watching this today, a year from now, or even beyond, these picks are solid. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss the latest gear updates. Number 5, DJI Osmo Action 4. The DJI Osmo Action 4 is a standout action camera that blends performance, durability, and user-friendly features into a compact design. Its 1/1.3-inch sensor delivers excellent image quality, especially in low-light conditions, an area where many action cams fall short. With support for 4K video at 120 frames per second, HDR, and 10-bit color, the footage looks vibrant and cinematic straight out of the camera. One of the best features is Rocksteady 3.0 Plus stabilization, which ensures buttery smooth footage even during intense movement like biking, skiing, or running. The camera's dual touchscreen, front and rear, makes vlogging and framing shots super easy, while the voice and gesture controls add an extra layer of convenience. The Osmo Action 4 is also built to withstand tough environments, with waterproofing up to 18 meters without a case and solid battery life, even in cold weather. DJI's quick-release mounting system is fast and secure, making it perfect for switching angles on the go. Overall, the Osmo Action 4 is a top-tier choice for adventurers, content creators, and everyday users who want reliable performance and excellent video quality. It holds its own against leading competitors and brings some unique features to the table that make it well worth the investment. Number 4, GoPro Hero 12 Black. The GoPro Hero 12 Black continues GoPro's legacy of delivering top-tier action camera performance with some refined upgrades. Its 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second ensure stunning clarity and slow-motion capabilities, while the new HDR video mode significantly improves dynamic range, especially in bright and contrast-heavy scenes. A key improvement is its battery efficiency. Thanks to better power management, the Hero 12 Black offers longer recording times, even during high-resolution shoots. The Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization is exceptional, making footage look steady and professional even in extreme conditions. GoPro also introduces Bluetooth audio support, allowing users to connect wireless microphones and earbuds, which is a big plus for vloggers. The camera remains rugged and waterproof up to 10 meters without a housing, maintaining its go-anywhere appeal. While the sensor and design remain similar to the Hero 11, the software refinements and added features like timecode sync and vertical video recording make the Hero 12 Black a versatile tool for both casual users and pros. Overall, it's a powerful, reliable camera that balances performance, usability, and creative flexibility. Number 3, Insta360 Go 3S. The Insta360 Go 3S takes ultra-portable action cameras to the next level with impressive upgrades over its predecessor. The biggest change is the ability to shoot in crisp 4K at 30 frames per second, a major leap from the previous 2.7K cap. Despite its tiny size, about the size of your thumb, the video quality is surprisingly sharp, with solid dynamic range and vivid color reproduction. Its magnetic body allows for incredibly versatile mounting options, perfect for POV shots, pets, helmets, or creative angles you just can't get with bulkier cameras. Paired with the updated Action Pod, which doubles as a remote control, screen, and charger, it transforms into a fully featured vlogging setup. The camera is waterproof, up to 10 meters without a case, and the stabilization is smooth and reliable thanks to flow state tech. Battery life has also seen a slight bump, offering around 45 minutes on the cam alone and 170 minutes with the pod. Overall, the Go 3S is ideal for creators, vloggers, and adventurers who want power and portability in one pocket-sized package. It's a tiny beast with serious potential. Number 2, GoPro Hero 13 Black. The GoPro Hero 13 Black continues GoPro's legacy of innovation with enhanced performance and cutting-edge features. It boasts a stunning 6K video resolution at 30 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, delivering ultra-smooth and sharp footage perfect for action shots, vlogging, or cinematic content. the Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization has been upgraded, offering even more fluid footage, whether you're biking on rough trails or snowboarding down steep slopes. Its 1.95-inch front and rear touchscreen displays provide a seamless user experience, while voice control and gesture commands make hands-free operation a breeze. With improved low-light performance and HDR support, your videos and photos look vivid in any environment. The Hero 13 Black also introduces a new Enduro battery that lasts significantly longer, even in extreme weather. Waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, without a case, it's ideal for underwater adventures. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make transferring content effortless. Overall, the GoPro Hero 13 Black is a top-tier action camera with remarkable upgrades. Whether you're a content creator or an adventure enthusiast, it offers everything you need to capture epic moments. Number 1. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a high-performance action camera designed for those who demand superior video quality and durability. Featuring dual OLED touchscreens, it offers a 1.46-inch front display and a 2.5-inch rear screen, providing excellent visibility in both bright and low-light conditions. The camera is equipped with a 1/1.3-inch sensor, capable of shooting stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second and 240 frames per second for smooth slow-motion footage. Its Super Night mode excels in low-light environments, and the 13.5-stop dynamic range enhances image clarity and color depth. Battery life is impressive, offering up to 4 hours of continuous recording at 1080p/24 fps. Making it perfect for long shooting sessions. The Osmo Action 5 Pro also supports advanced features like built-in subject tracking, 47 GB of internal storage, and AI-driven noise reduction, ensuring your shots are sharp and clear. Overall, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a versatile and durable camera, ideal for capturing high-quality action shots in a variety of conditions. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this review of the top 5 best action cameras of 2025 helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe to Legit Tech Pick for more tech reviews and updates. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below with your favorite action camera or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.